guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm actually right now following my colleague from work. We're gonna shoot his Mclaren 650S in Malibu canyons, and I'm very excited. Also, this Mclaren was recently wrapped by our buddies at the Hyper House in this beautiful green color that you're about to see. So yeah, right now we're going to the first location and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Alright, we have arrived at location number 1. This is a good one. Yep. I feel like I need more. Yeah, we'll do a little bit like turn. Yeah, but right now I think just get those few. Let's just get one door open right now. There you go, good. And can we get that door down? No, fully. Also, you know what? Turn the wheel that way so it looks like the car is going down the hill. Yep, perfect. That's good. Down. Yep. That's good.
Did it break the wheel more?
Yeah, that it looks like, yep. Not too much, more natural. Yeah, right there. It looks better with the lights on. Just keep the accessory mode maybe. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Oh, this is sick ass location.
Running lights totally changed.
Yeah, exactly. But I gotta shoot like often till I get it, cause camera skips them. Oh yeah, that's sick too. Yep. Yeah, that looks epic. Yeah. Yeah, this is like print worthy for sure. Sick. I got the shot for the day. I guess we can move on to the other location, then closer to the water. I got the yellow. This is beyond perfect, basically.
Like right here, there's like
here is everything.
yellow, 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 yellow.
Yeah, nobody in the way. This is great. All right, first location, epic. You guys saw it. Epic, epic, epic. This will be print worthy. I'm so happy. So now we're about to go to the second location. Whew, I'm tired. You can hear it from my voice. Second location, probably closer to the water. So let's go. Location number 2. Ooh, look at these views. Sick.
See your devotion.
Let me do a few shots with doors closed from here, and then we're good to go. From the front.
Funny thing is, this is arguably just as good of a shot right here.
Yeah, really? It's not that.
I mean, like, I don't know, like the landscape.
Yeah, it's still the same, right? Yeah, no, because of the shadows, it doesn't work from that side. It's 7:30ish. The sun is going down.
Oh, geez. That's 2 hours from now.
Damn. Okay, we're doing good. So, should we go to that other location? Yep, that's good.
You tell me when.
Keep going there further. And now angle towards me. Yep. More. Yeah, right there is good. And just both doors up. We'll see what we can. There you go. This is better lighting right here. Sick. I got it.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right. We're gonna yeah.
I go with you?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, hair up. You know what that means. Rollers. We'll try to get some rollers. Yay! So I didn't have a way how to shoot behind the scenes video of me taking rollers because I was literally hanging outside the window, but here are some shots that I got. So that's a wrap, guys. It was such a great shoot. My favorite location was the one with yellow flowers and cactuses. So good. Also, rollers came out pretty well. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please let me know by hitting thumbs up for this video and also subscribing to my channel if you would like to see more behind the scenes videos from me. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!